Let's see if we are live. It's been a long time since I've streamed. Just going to pull it up real quick. Mute that. Make sure that we're coming in. See, I should say live. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. It is coming in. Cool. So we're going to start up the coding environment. Welcome to the Stytch Developer Advocate Take-Home assignment. So if you're coming in from Twitch, I'm going to upload this to YouTube after, but this is one of the companies that I'm interviewing with. It's kind of in the realm of Clerk, Next Auth, Auth 0, Kind, all that kind of auth jazz. And we're going to spend an hour 15 building. And so this is part of the Developer Advocate Take-Home, which I've got over here. And basically it's just like, hey, let's make something using their API. So in the last videos, I basically did 2 videos before this stream. They're on YouTube. If you go over to YouTube and then at JSJOIO, should be there under playlists. I have to, there we go. Cool, so if you hit view full playlist, so I'll add this video there as well. But yeah, we're going to spend an hour 15, and what we're going to be building is we're going to use their React SDK. We're going to try and implement magic links. And we're going to build like some type of gated content website. So what does that mean? It means that you need to sign in to see the content. So we're going to use Stytch to be able to do that. And hopefully we're going to use magic links as a way to let people log in. And so the site, the content that we're going to be gating is an Ahsoka Episode 1 Superfan Guide. So the Ahsoka series is coming out on Disney Plus. I want to say August 23rd. So I was like, hey, let's do that for our content for this little demo app that we're going to build. The whole process, if I'm doing this right, 15, yeah. I've broken it up into 4 phases, so now we're at the building phase. So hopefully we can build this pretty quick. And yeah, so let's jump into it. I don't know, let me see. We're going to do 2 things real quick. If I go over to my Twitch channel, and then if I pop out the chat real quick. It's been a while since I've done this. I don't know if anybody's going to show up because it's been a long time, but in case they do, I'm going to open Power Toys because I've got a kind of 1/3, 2/3 configuration. Where is it? There we go. Fancy zones. We're going to open up the launch layout editor. I should still have stream. Cool. So now I think, there we go. Cool. So if I close that, it should still come up. And, oh, we're still in the fancy zones. There we go. Cool. Okay, I'm going to close that. It's up to the chat. Cool. So we have a head start because they've got a React example. Why reinvent the wheel when we can utilize this? One thing that they could do is make these templates. So, you know, go into settings, make this a template repo. That would be a lot quicker. But since it's not, we're just going to clone it. So my coding environment is running. We're going to open up Code Server and bring it into this 2/3. We're going to come here. We're going to use SSH. We're going to clone this. We're going to go to the root and we're going to do git clone this React example. And what was it called? React. Oh, sorry, Stytch. There we go. Cool. And I've actually already written out the steps. Where are we? Kind of this order of operations, so to speak. Hey, there actually are some people here. So if you're here, drop a hello in the chat. But what we're going to be doing, for those who are just joining us, is this. So we're going to clone it, which we just did. We're going to test to make sure basic sign-in works. So where are we? We need code server. I'm going to open the terminal and run npm install. So we'll install our dependencies. Ooh. I don't know what version node. I might have to use mvm to switch because it looks like we're getting some errors, but that's okay. We'll try it regardless. I think this environment might have, so if we do node-v, we're on 16. Okay, I don't know. Let's open up the package JSON and see what's our, okay, we just got npm start. Cool, so that should start, oops. Okay, it's loading, port 3000, should pop up here. Cool, amazing. Okay, so, I don't know if this, let's just see if this works. Oh, okay. I'm guessing I need an environment variable. Here's the template. Yeah, okay. So we're going to do .env. We're going to copy that and delete that. And let's go get our public token. So if we go to stytch.com, log in, sign up or log in. Let's do with Google. Cool. Hopefully it doesn't show any JS2IO. It's interesting that they ask you about this flow, because it's like, well, what if I do consumer, but I also want to do B2B, you know? It should be like a multi-select. But anyways, we're going to do consumer, because for our content, it's going to be Star Wars fans, API keys. Hopefully this doesn't expose it. Well, we'll do the test environment maybe. See, these should be hidden, you know, because now I'm on stream, but it's okay because these are tests. Okay, public token. I'm guessing this is the one I need. Yep. And we'll put it in quotes. Okay, and if I go back, where are we? There's my app. We'll reload. Let's do it again. No go. So I probably need to restart my app because I've changed the environment variables. Try again. Website has not been registered. Okay. At least the error messages are helpful. I will say that. Okay. Domains. Localhost is already configured, but because I'm behind a proxy, we need that. So let's add. Interesting. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, amazing. You just have it on. Okay. Now, let's try it again. Refresh. JJPrivate Gmail. No match for provided magic link. The magic link URL in the request did not match any redirect URLs for this. Okay. Please view and edit. Oh my gosh. On it, this is a desktop. Okay, well, let's see. Create a redirect URL. That should be verified by Stytch. So, what is this supposed to be? Let's do a search, maybe? Is there like a redirect? Login configures and renders the blah, blah, blah. So I'm guessing because I'm running behind a proxy. Oops. Sorry, I have the wrong keyboard layout. There we go. Okay, let's just update these and see if that works. Just a guess here. Nope. The magic link URL and the request did not match. Do I need to restart? Because we'll try that real quick. Cool. Go back to Brave. One more time. No. Okay. All right. Well, this is why we have an hour-ish. What are we doing wrong? Hashtag no. Let's search because I don't think it... No? Okay, let's go back. Alright, so no match for provided magic link. The magic link URL in the request did not match any redirect URLs set for this project. So, is it using the config in the project or in the dashboard? Oh, here we go. How do I edit this? Oh, here we go. Okay, let's just, I don't know. I wish I could use like a relative path. So let's actually come in here. Can I Stytch? Let's try site relative path, maybe? I don't know. Okay. Well, we are just going to... Is it just authenticate? Okay. That's nice, actually. It's the same path. So let's do this. Set as a default. And do all. Or wait, oh, I think I need authenticate at the end there. Authenticate. There we go. Confirm. Okay, so I'm guessing that's like live. So if we do JJ private again, no go. Can we read about it? To ensure your users are always routed to the correct place, Stytch verifies any redirect URLs. For each redirect, a developer can specify one or more. Separate for test and live. Maybe I was doing the wrong ones? No, I'm in test. And I have this set to the default. Well, let's look at the network tab. Okay. If I hit continue with email. So where are we making a request to? Let's bring this up. So the request URL is the magic links email login post. Getting a 400. What is the payload? We're still sending 3,000. So let's fix that. Magic link. Is it? Okay, well let's do a search for this. That's not anywhere to be found. Where is that coming from? Well, I see this down here. So we'll change that and change that. Okay, so it's restarting. So let's refresh the page. Let's add in boom, boom, boom. Still getting 400. So it's sending it's sending what I think it should send. But is it because I don't have authenticate on that route? Okay, let's go look at the docs one more time. Redirect URLs. I'm guessing that's it. I don't know. Authenticate. Okay, come back. Let's try one more time. Worst case, we can always like use something like Code Sandbox. That was it. Okay. How to not show my email on screen. Let me see. Sorry, give me 1 second. You're going to see a black screen here for a second, which I know is bad, but that's okay. Add Lumina. I'm just going to put myself in the center and expand that real quick. I need to work on the color grading here, but okay. While you're looking at my beautiful face, we are going to, I'm going to show you now. Okay. So this is what the email looks like. This is cool, by the way. It looks like you could probably customize a lot of this. We'll hit continue. Amazing. So we have magic links out of the box. We got it working with my reverse proxy. Amazing. Cool. That is sick. Okay. So it makes me wonder though, if we refresh the page, what happens? Like, what is the default? Cool. That's what we want. So it's like saved as a cookie or something. And the app, the out of the box, already has kind of the sign and flow setup, right? Because if I were to, well, I'm not going to be able to open this in a private tab because of the proxy. It'll make me log in. But anyways, we're going to assume that's working. Cool. So we didn't even have to add magic link. That was like out of the box, ready to go, which is awesome. So now we need to add the content. We'll do the signed in page because we're already signed in. So I'm going to close this so we don't have so many open tabs. And now I can see, where's my chat? Cool. Okay. This is awesome. And what are we at time-wise? 58 minutes. All right. Cool. So let's keep going. So we're going to add the content, which I've got here for the signed in page. So let's figure out we've got this like profile. So we'll go to our app. We'll search for profile. Must be this one. Just to test, we'll say Joe. And there we go. I don't know why the hot reloading wasn't working. Oh, maybe I didn't hit save. Nope. Okay, well, it's probably because of the reverse proxy. Because if you refresh, it's there. Okay, cool. So now what I want to do is we're basically just going to we're going to ask ChatGPT for some help. So we're going to say, you are a world-class engineer. We're going to come over to our content, and we're going to say, we're going to say, here is some content. I want you to use semantic HTML, and we'll say Tailwind classes. Use the Tailwind Pros, I think that's what it's called, package, and format it correctly. I don't know. So it looks pretty. We'll say text. Cool. So we'll save some time here. I don't need that, but whatever. We'll just grab what's inside this first div. And while our assistant is running, let me just remind myself how to add Tailwind to a React project. It's been a while. Cool. So open a new terminal. We'll do this. We'll create a Tailwind config. So let's do new file. What was it called? Tailwind.config. Okay. Tailwind.config.js. And we want the path to be tailwind.config.js. That's good. Bada bing, bada boom. We don't have prettier. Install. Oh, we do. Hopefully that's working. Okay. I'm gonna reload. Go back. We'll copy this. Well, I guess we can copy the whole thing and delete what we don't need. Let's see, is it still running? Yeah, it is. Okay. Cool. Why is it not saving? Format, document. Oh, I gotta configure it. Okay. We want prettier. Cool. Okay. Let's go to our profile. And actually, let's create a new component. And we'll call it, I don't know, not hidden content. Like, we'll just say Ahsoka guide.js. Cool. We'll use the same style, so they're exporting default, so copy, paste, and cool. Cool. And we'll delete the body. Cool. Okay, and we'll call this Ahsoka guide. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. And now we'll import. We'll just, for now, we'll say, we'll do it at the top. Just to make sure that it looks good. Cool. Amazing. Okay. We don't need the rest of this stuff. Do we want the logout button? That's fine. I want the kind of want the logout button in the heading. Let's put like an H1 here, maybe. That's like, welcome to your free guide, or like thanks for joining. Here is your. No, sorry. Let's say your free guide. Thanks for joining the Ahsoka superfans. Here is your free guide. Okay, refresh. Nice. Okay. Let's add some margin bottom. Let's do like 8. Let's do 24. Why is it? Oh, right. We got to refresh. Or it's not showing up. Or 24 is not enough. Let's do like 48. Weird. What? Oh, wait. Why is that not working? Margin bottom. Let's go here. Command K. We'll do margin bottom. We'll just do margin. What is the biggest we can go? Maybe 48 isn't a number. I just made that up. No, it is. Weird. Okay, well, let's actually, here's what we'll do. Let's go into here and let's make this 16. That's probably good. I mean, I don't know why that's not working. Is there something else I need to do? Let me see. Maybe Tailwind is not working. I guess what we can do is do a quick check background color, and we'll just do background black. And if this doesn't work, then we know Tailwind is not working, and we'll have to debug that. So if I reload, yep, that is not working. So that is why. Because we have background. Yeah, none of the styles are being applied. So what am I missing about installation? Oh, wait. I don't know. Oh, it already exists. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's see. Let's do our source. What was it? Index.css. Oh, input.css. That's unexpected. Start the Tailwind. Wait, why do you have to do that? Okay, well, do I need to do that? Also, I'm breaking a sweat over here. I think the AC is not. Wait, that should. Oh, index.css. Okay, maybe that's a typo. Index. Of course, I'm getting a text from my wife, and my phone is not in reaching distance. Okay, we're at 49 minutes. I'm breaking a sweat, which means things are going well. But Tailwind is not. Let's restart our app. Because well, we added dependencies and all that. Why is Tailwind not working? Okay, let's double check everything. We have the project. Do we have a dependency of Tailwind? We do. We've ran the init. Aha. I bet this is it. Yeah, it's not looking for my JSX. Nope. Okay, let's try to restart. What else? Weird. Okay. What else do we have? npm run start. Create React app does not support posts and is incompatible with many important tools like post CSS import. We highly recommend Vite. This is Create React 5. What version are we? I don't even know where it's. Yeah, I don't know what version this is. Component JSX JS. Why is this not? Let's see. Okay, well, we're gonna have to Google it. Let's see. Tailwind not working in Create React app. This is, well, I mean, I don't want to waste too much time on CSS, but try updating your scripts. What is React scripts? Oh no, I'm 5. Why is that not working? Maybe I'm missing this. It's worth a shot. npm install -d. For TypeScript, no require. If you're using Create React app in Webpack 5, you need to, I don't even know what version of Webpack we're using. I mean, we can try this too. Does it say what Webpack version? Okay, well, let's see. That didn't work either. Tailwind config. What did they say? Style. Where does that go? Wait. What is this CRAO? What is CRAO? I don't know what that is. Oh, silly. That's probably it. It's probably because we're not importing our styles anywhere. Maybe? Amazing. Let's upvote that. Let's upvote the heck out of that. Thank you. Oh, that was it. Thank you so much. Cool. Okay. Cool beans. The coolest beans. We're going to get rid of our BG black because that makes it really hard to read. And refresh. Cool. Okay. That's pretty good. I want to move this logout button. Maybe we can replace the view on GitHub. So what we're going to do is close. I guess that keyboard shortcut's not working, but we are going to. Where is the view on GitHub? That's on index.ht. That's an interesting choice. Okay. View on. Okay, that is not a JSX component. Interesting. Interesting. That's fine. We can work with that. Where's our logout? I wonder why they did that. Well, we're just going to delete that. And let's create a new header. And we're going to have our assistant do this. Write a component in JSX called header, which has two links. One to the root, like index page. One with, and it's not a button. We're going to say two elements. One with a button for to log out. Use Tailwind for styling. And the other thing we want to say is, what's it called? Put the elements on the opposite ends of the page. Okay, that should be enough for our assistant to figure out what we want. Yo, what's up, Nate? Sorry, I just saw that. Happy Wednesday. I don't know. I guess I can't see the timestamp when that came in, but what we're working on is just a little app for a coding challenge that I'm working on. So let's come back to ChatGPT. Okay, cool. Sweet. And it's using the style that we want, which is amazing. Just copy paste that in. And then we probably want this in the app. Just got here. Love your content. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Let's see. We've got, in our app, we have this container. If there's a user, we show the profile. If not, we show the login. We'll just put it in the login component. That's probably easiest. So what we're going to do is do return. We'll do, I'm forgetting what that's called, a fragment. Yeah. We'll do the Stytch login. Oops. And then we'll do the header. And I think that should do it. No. Right? Let's search for header. It's there. Oh, but it's not in the main. Oh. How does this Stytch logging component work? Okay, let's follow the tree. So we've got app. Oh, sorry, we want this in profile. So let's come in here. And I think this should work. I mean, if not, we'll figure it out. Okay, not where I want it, but I think that's because we're in the main div. Where is this other header? I think it's in the HTML file. Oh yeah, we still got it. Okay. Okay. It's not beautiful, but let me think. The main, okay, main has some padding on it. Where is that set? Oh, that looks like it's coming from Stytch. So there's a... Is that in my code somewhere? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Main. Okay, that should do it. Okay, I mean that's pretty basic. I mean, you know. Oh, we got some more people. Hey, what's up, everyone? That's pretty basic. Let's just make sure it works. I don't know about that highlight cover though, and it's not working. So, oh, because we got to fix that. Okay, we basically need this on click. Or actually, what we can do is delete that. Where is our header? Come in here. And let's we need this. I can't see the end of it. Okay. So what we're going to do is do view in quotes and class name equals double quotes. Oh, I have it in here twice. Okay. Save, close. What am I doing wrong here? Okay. We need these. Where is that Stytch coming from? Up here, that hook. Cool. Oops. Okay, let's go back, refresh, and we'll hit log out. Cool. We don't want it to show on this part though. So that's because, so we have header here. Let's remind ourselves, where are we using header? 2 places. We don't want it here. So actually I can go to source control and we can undo the, was it login? No, I want that. Okay, never mind actually. Because I don't want to undo the whole changes. Cool. Sweet. Okay, so we've got that. How are we doing on time? We're at 36 minutes, so. Let's do, what are we going to do next, folks? we're going to redo this page. So we're going to go to my notes, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do the same thing. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to say, we're going to ask our assistant, here is some content that I want you to turn into a JSX component and style using Tailwind. Text. And at the bottom of the content, add a CTA called like, I don't know, sign up to and read guide now. Okay, so we're going to do that. So while we're waiting for our assistant to finish, for those of you who are joining recently, this is a coding challenge I'm doing for a company called Stytch, which is kind of like Clerk or Auth0. I'm using the React SDK, and we're building kind of like a gated content site. So basically, you sign up, there's a magic link, and after you sign up, you'll get access to a guide about Ahsoka, which is a new Star Wars series coming up. Cool. I like this. Okay. So we're going to call this, we're going to create a new file. We'll say guide content.js. Or let's call this like content gate, maybe? I don't know. That sounds kind of cool. And let me just copy the code. And let's do a find and replace and call this content gate. And hit save and come back. And actually, sorry, we got to use it. Login. I guess we probably need to just like import this component. So let's do login. And we'll delete the other one shortly. And then we'll search, where are we using login? Here. No, sorry, here. And let's replace this with content gate. And now, come back and refresh. Nice. Okay, how do I remove... Well, let's remove that button. So go to our content gate. I'll delete this. Seems like I have a semicolon somewhere. Maybe not. Where is that coming from? Sign up and read the guide now. I have no idea where that semicolon is. How do I... Let's see. Okay, I guess we can inspect the HTML and see where it is. That's going to bother me. Is that... Okay, it's inside... Sign up and read the guide. Sign up. That's in here. Where is that semicolon coming from? App? I'm so confused. If you delete that, it goes away. So it is for sure in this component, content gate. So if we just search, how many semicolons do I have? 5. Okay, I have no idea. Is that coming from the login component? The answer is yes. Okay, go to the login. Oh my gosh, there it is. I must have added that by accident. Okay. Okay, cool. I want to remove the Google, and can I change the continue with email? Oh. How do I... That must be coming from Stytch. Okay, let me remove this OAuth option. I only want magic links. Cool. That or, how do I get rid of that or? And let's delete the sign up and read guide. Okay. We're looking good. I want to change all of this information. So I'm guessing in the Stytch dashboard, we will be able to do that somewhere. Dashboard. I'm going to pull this up full screen. Where my first project. Okay. That's not great. Well, okay. Where do we think this would be? Project settings. Okay, well, let's, while we're here, we'll call this Ahsoka content gate. OAuth or the magic links. I don't know where this would be. Event, no. User management, no. Clients, no. Emails. Cool. Redirect, no. Passwords. No. Front-end SDKs, maybe? Let me just turn all these off. Maybe that'll get rid of the or. That's cool, you have Web3 logins. I didn't realize that. Okay, email, magic links. Enable the send flow. Yep. Okay, I don't know if that's going to do anything, but worth a shot. I don't know. This or, how do I get rid of that? Let's see. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I guess, is let's try and dive in. Styles, button, products. I don't need... Oh, I bet maybe that's it. Maybe like length.array or whatever. Cool. Got rid of the or. That's progress. Minutes. I don't want people to sign up. Sign up expiration. I don't know. That's okay. We're not going to figure it. Let's look up this UI config. Customization. UI config reference. Config. Products, maybe? No. Login template. Options. Sign up template ID. Built-in customizations or customize. Styles. Hide header text. I don't know, let's try this. Hide, so what is that on the styles? Let me see. Okay. I think hide header would be nice if we had some autocomplete here, but I guess we're using JavaScript. No, that did not. Did I do that right? Hide header text. We don't have an example. Styles object. I'm in the styles object. Hide header text. When this value is false, the title and description text will not show in the SDK. So I don't know. It's right there. Let's try refreshing one more time. I don't know, man. Okay, well, I mean, let's try something else. Just make sure that if I change the border color to tomato, does that work? We'll just double check. That doesn't work. Let's try, just to make sure, let's try black. Okay, wait, let's try, I don't know, is that working? Yeah, it is. Okay. That is working. So, what am I missing? And let's come back to chat just in case. Come on. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? The styles object, hide header text, and the value is false. Okay, well, just to be safe, let's put true. That's weird. Now, oh my gosh, it's backwards, right? Show header. Okay. Wow. Okay, cool. How do I change instead of continue with email? Buttons, maybe? Primary? How do you change the text? Text? Looks like you can only change the color. Okay. Now let's put the CTA to say, where's the content gate? So, also, I don't know if we want, I think we want this to be a div. Okay. And let's say another div, or let's do a button that says, give us your email, or enter your email and read the guide today. And sorry, we don't want that to be a button. We want that to be a paragraph. And let's do class name, say text medium or LG. Is that right? No. Tech or font size. No, that should be right. Let's do XL. Class name. Okay. How are we doing on time? 22 minutes. Okay. And let's do font weight. Let's do bold. Maybe semi-bold. We'll try bold first. Okay, and let's do some padding bottom 4. That's too much. Okay. Let's center it. I don't know. It's been a while since I've done some Tailwind text center. Cool. Okay. Can I change the placeholder? Site Stytch? Maybe. No. What else can I change? Let's do a quick search. No. Okay, well, let's just try out our app one more time. Oh, and maybe we should add a picture. Let's do, is there like an image? Quick style? Okay, let's just say write a component in JSX called cover. We'll say like guide image, and use an image of Ahsoka, and make sure to add alt text. So while that's going, we'll come over here and we'll do guide image.js, and we'll copy this in. And for the source, let's do Ahsoka Disney. Let's do this one. Image, copy clean link. Sorry, image address. Okay, and let's go to our content gate and we will add it, I'd say above the guide image. Okay, let's take a look. Cool. Ah, it looks so sick. Let's say, can you update it to make the image smaller, like 200 pixels, but maintain aspect ratio? Just, you know, our assistant's good at this kind of stuff. Cool. Okay, so the height in auto, that's what I was thinking. Okay, close that, close that. That didn't work. Wait, what is this width right now? That is not working. Oh, I wonder, maybe it's here. Maybe it's because we have that. Why is it not working? Okay, width 200 pixels. Let's go with like 500 pixels. I think, let me see, width. Maybe W200 probably doesn't exist. Can we do like, let's do width 96. But we want it to be centered, so we need let's add this back. CSS is one of those things where it's like you get good at it and then you don't, and then you forget it all. Wait, what am I doing wrong here? How do we center the image? Is it my, oh yeah. Should we just do like display flex? Align items center. Justify content. Which one is it? Justify content center. Flex direction. Or I guess we need, sorry. Display flex. Align. Justify content center. There we go. Okay. I think that should do it. Boom. Okay, let's do slightly smaller width. Let's do 64 maybe, because I want it to be above the fold. Yes. Cool. That's pretty good to me. Let's do it one more time. So test@gmail.com. Cool, so an email was sent. I'm going to hide my email real quick. So you're going to see my face with the color correction that I need to fix. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show it to you. There we go. Hit continue. It's going to open in a new tab. And we're going to change from My Awesome App to, what should that say instead? My Awesome App. Oh, and we need to deploy it. So let's do that next, actually. Let's change it to Ahsoka Super Fan App. I don't know. And let's delete that. Let's just say, may the force be with you. Okay. And let's do like a lightning bolt. Oh, well, we didn't finish the text. I don't think they'll care that much. Let's focus on getting this deployed. So we're going to do two things. We're going to commit this. So git status. We'll do git init, git add. Say git commit. We'll say like feet, like build v1 of app. I don't know. -v. Oh, we need to create a repo. Repo create. Sorry, there we go. We'll say Stytch Takehome. JSJOIO. My take-home assignment. Yo, what's up? Not much. Enjoying the day. How about you? Alma no duerme. Alma no duerme. Alma no duerme. That's probably how you say it. Yeah, how you doing? Welcome. We're getting close to wrapping up here. So, for the developer advocate position. Oh, Alma no duerme. So I guess that's kind of like your spirit never sleeps. Or that's my rough translation. Oh, come on. How do you delete this? Git remote remove. Let's do help. See, oops. Git remote remove origin. And then git remote. I don't know if it added it. We're going to go to GitHub and check if it added the Stytch. Hey, I like it though. Alma no duerme. Alma no duerme. Okay, so they did add it. So what we're going to have to do is this copy, little copy pasta over here. Bada bing, bada boom. Cool. We are up and running now. Let's go to Vercel.com. My English is bad, but I try to learn. Hey, no worries. I mean, you're here. You understood me. You understood the joke. So that's that. I'm happy. All right, we're going to log in. Add new project. We're going to import this. Create React app. Environment variables we need. .env. This is public. Let's come back. Select inside the quotes. Add. Deploy. What are you doing? Yeah, so we're doing a take home for a company called Stytch. That's for a developer advocate role. And we're going to wrap up here in 10 minutes. As long as this deploys. I mean, that's, always the hard part. But yeah, we're hanging out. We got a couple other folks here. Nate was saying hello earlier. Yeah, so we're going to deploy this. Fingers crossed it works first time. If it doesn't, we will debug it. Cool. Let's see. Hey, look at that domain too. Oh, I need to... Let's add this to my dashboard. It works, I know. So, so we can test the full flow. When I go to the dashboard, I'm in these here for the redirect URL. Oh shoot, I probably need the live environment keys. Here we go. Authenticate all, set as the default, confirm. What else do I need to add? The API keys, a public token. I guess that's probably okay. I don't know. Let's find out. So let me try my email. The domain hasn't been registered. I'm confused on the SDK versus the redirect URLs. So, okay, let's add it here. Domain, Takehome, add. Okay, actually, that should be it. I think. And we'll add plus live to make sure that we're good. Okay. Now I'm going to show you my face real quick. Come back. Gmail. Pull it up. Yes. Okay. I'm going to show you it again. Okay. Continue. No! The wrong redirect URL. Okay, well, so I just need to reset the default, maybe? What was the SDK? Yeah, redirect URLs. Oh, I don't have it in live environment. No, I have it in there. Is it because I'm using a different key? Do I have... Oh, yeah, I'm using the wrong key. Okay, so that's my fault. Go to dashboard. Settings. Environment variables. Let me edit this. Okay, moment of truth. Log out. Okay. Let's just... How are we doing on time? Oh, we got 7 minutes. Okay. Wait, why does that keep happening? There we go. Okay. One more time. Plus live 2. Come back. Where's my chat? There we go. Okay. Now, back. Face. Email. Come back. Face. Screen. Email. No! Why does it keep using the wrong... Okay, well... The quick fix is we're going to show the full screen. I swear that I'm using the right key. Oh, maybe, sorry. You know what? I have to redeploy. Deployments. Redeploy. Wait, what was that instant redeploy? Oh, sorry, inspect. It should say, that would be cool if it said instant redeploy. The build cache. I don't know if it caches keys, so we're going to not use that. Okay, moment of truth. Let's clean up our tabs. Don't need our assistant. We'll say thanks for your help today. Take the rest of the day off. Cool. That. Boom, boom, boom. So we have the repo. Okay. Okay, it's live. Oh, wait. Sorry, I want this URL. Yeah. Okay. So this is the third test. We'll say plus live 3. Wait. Did I switch URLs? Plus live 3. Okay. Why is that not working? Dang it. Okay, we got 5 minutes. Let me think. That's the URL. Where are the settings? Project. Settings. Environment variables. I'm using the live one. Try one more time. No? What did I do wrong here? Go to the dashboard. I'm really breaking a sweat over here. It's crunch time. Okay, live environment. Is that the correct URL? .app. Yep. Okay, so we have the redirect URL. Let's go to our SDKs. Oh my gosh, I have to hit enable? Okay. Right? Okay. Am I... Oh, I gotta add... Okay, gotta add these domains. Or just this one. Add a domain. Okay. Cool. I'm feeling good. We're feeling good. Number 4. What do they say? 4th try the charm. Not today, though. Not for us. What could be wrong? Let's see. Copy configuration from test. Okay. Email is on. Project settings. API keys. We have this one. Oh, wait. I'm using a project ID instead of a public token. Okay. Yep, look at that. That's wrong. Okay, now we got to redeploy. Deployments. Redeploy. We're going to try the build cache this time. Doesn't work, we'll do it again. Waiting for build to start. Alright, moment of truth. Ticking down, ticking down. Okay, come on now. Do we think it's going to work? Coming on. Okay, we're ready. Cool. Let's do, what is this? Live 5? Live 5, I like that. No! No match for the provided, the match URL. How does that not match? Redirect URLs. It's right there. No? Oh, wait. Dang it. I forgot the authenticate. Authenticate? All set as the default. Okay. I have the token. I have the magic URL. Live 6. We're less than 2 minutes away. And it's still not working. Please visit the redirect URLs to update. Where is it going? So we'll do one more check. Console. Oh, What are we at? Live 7, I think. Live 7. Clear this. Continue. 400. Payload. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's because it's committed to the code base. Come on, Joe. Why aren't you using environment variables there? All right. Well, we're going to do, in the ideal world, these would be not committed to the code base. So we're going to search for 3000. Well, it's interesting because you have to do, it's in your config, but it's also in your dashboard. But anyways, that should be an environment variable. Okay. You know, like if process.m.production, yada yada, say, let's just say to do at JSJO, use m vars for this. Okay, we'll just say hotfix, update, redirect URLs. Bada bing, bada boom, push. Vercel will see that and be like, yo, I saw you just push a commit. Let me redeploy. Oh, we just ran out of time. Okay, well, hopefully this works. We're at the home stretch. I'll drop this in the chat in case people are curious. We'll wait for the redeploy. We'll try one time. 15 seconds just now. Okay. Live. So this is live number 8. Our 8th try. Live 8. No. Gosh dang it. I should have just left it with the test credentials. All right, what are we doing wrong here? Maybe, let me see. What is this? Live 9. Okay. Continue. 400. Oh my gosh, I have a double slash. Gosh dang it. Hotfix, fix double slash. All right, well, on the bright side, we caught that quickly. We're a couple minutes over, which is fine. I'm thinking this is it. I'm feeling good. What are we at? Live 9? Live, I think we're at 10. We're at double digits here. So once this deploys, took 15 seconds last time. Ooh, that double slash pushing our build time up, deploy time. 26, 19. Okay, I'll take it. All right, we are at number 10. Plus 10. Okay. We're going to switch to my face. Open Gmail. Open email. Show you it again. Hit continue. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, we have done it. We have our content gated site. We went a little over time, but hey, that's okay. Cool. So I'm going to stop there. And yeah, we're going to kill my terminal. Close that. We're good. Close email. Cool. So that's awesome. So I'm going to leave those up. I'll drop a link here if you want to try it out. Where'd chat go? There we go. Cool. Well, thanks all for hanging out. Alma no duerme, Nate, everybody else, thanks for stopping in. We're going to wrap up here. I'm going to download this and upload it to YouTube. It'll be part of a series that I'm doing. If you're curious about it, if you want to see the whole interview process, or sorry, like take home, I've kind of broken it up into 4 chunks. I'll drop a link to the playlist here. But yeah, I got Stytch's permission to do this publicly, and I thought that'd be fun for anybody else who's on the job hunt and wants to see, how I'm approaching it, how I'm doing these developer advocate take homes. First one goes through a sales safari. Second, we plan the app that we just built. And third is this video that you all were a part of today. And then the fourth, which I'll probably do after I take a little break here, is just a quick little demo. Probably won't take 15 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Demoing what we built, how it works. So yeah, thanks all for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.